Hi everybody, it's science time. And what did you make yesterday? Oh, did you make some marshmallow stick with toothpick to make a beautiful star? I see on my lesson that some of the friends make a big deeper, and they made a small deeper, and some of them were very interesting. They made Orion the Hunter. You may see Orion the Hunter, and you can see that it's almost like he's holding a bow and shooting it at something. I was very amazed. I want to make Orion the Hunter too, but seriously, I don't have marshmallow. If my dad come home, I can ask for him to buy one bag of marshmallow for me. That will be exciting. And the next gonna be a little bit. And the teacher said, "Wow, he made something that I've never seen before. What do you have?" Weights. You know weights? Alright, you make some weights, and sometimes you can see it on the sky, the star connecting like a weight, and maybe you can keep building your muscle. And now, I have experiments for you. For now, we're going to learn about the moon. For the moon, I talked about the new moon, crescent moon, full moon, quarter moon, and other types of moon. And now we're going to learn about the moon surface. Do you know why? Do you see all these spots on the moon? That is when the asteroid or meteorite hit it. It's called space rock as well. And as you know, I read a story about it, and when I saw something black, I used my friend to go on a space rock hunt. And that was really exciting. Let's ask with my friend and go for a while when I was riding my bike. And you know what? They said, to know this is a space rock, we need a bottle of water. To know it's a space rock, we pour the water on the rock and it will shine on the sun. That means it's a space rock, and we need to have a magnet so we can if the rocks is in it, because it has metal in it, and that's a space rock. And so I don't have a magnet, and I may have a bottle of water as well, but I don't bring it because I didn't have permission from my mom yet, so I help others by that. And so we found lots of colored rocks. Some are jewels, some are doped, and some are soft, some are hard, and some are even colorful, or maybe a little bit harmless too. And so, but none of them are space rock. I pour the water on them, but they just shine in the sun. And we use magnet to do anything. And according to space rock must be heavier. And so I asked my friend to search around in the forest. It might be somewhere because it had burned a lot of trees. Then we find a clue in our house. One of my friends saw it. They said, what's this? Look black. And so I weighed my hand with it. Whoa, that was even heavier than I had thought. And as you know, we poured the water on so it can shine. And we became amazed. Then we take a magnet off, and look, it's thick. That means it has metal in it. How amazing. I'm not sure it's a space rock or what. It's a very fun day when I have a rock collection. So now, and to know that the meteor have hit the moon, and as you know, the moon has a very smooth surface. So that's why when we walk and run on the moon, we leave some footprints, but since there's no wind and no rain and no water on the moon, so that's why it can't go away. It's still live here now, and you'll be able to discover the moon. You can see holes. That's our meteorite that have hit it before. And so, like that. This is a fun experiment. First, you need a big dough, and put it on some, maybe something that you use to cook. It's a white thing paper used to cook. And next, you put some dirt on. Now you put some brown or black clay on and spread it everywhere. Now use some of the rocks, and with all your might throw the rock into the ground or into it. Can you see this and take it out? Can you see it? it does it through harder and harder until you give up. Hey, and then you just push it with all your might, you see a hole and pinch other holes in. You can see some dots in it, and that's just like the meteorite who hit the moon. And when you want to play it again, just pat it with your hand so the moon surface can be like soft like a moon surface again. I'll tell you too. Have you ever seen more star things? Oh, but there's many things, and one of them may be the star connection to Libra, the god of the truth. Leo, the hungry lion. Maybe I don't know sure, but I don't remember. Gemini, the twin. Orion, the hunter. And what the? I don't remember. Maybe in Vietnamese I remember it, but what's that? Hey. And you can see Scorpion as well. You can see a little star. You can even see Leo. Oh, Lion, Capricorn, and maybe more. Oh, maybe a lamb, golden lamb. I don't remember most of their name. And of course, Orion, the hunter. Look at her, she's holding a bow. Oh, how about that name that I talked about? Who does the hunter? It's Orion. Wow. So you can find more of them. Your number. What is your favorite? Now I want to do you a homework. So homework. What you need is to take a scrap piece of paper, draw a picture, and write it about your favorite planet. Like an example, my favorite planet is Saturn because it is beautiful. I just like it because of the color. But I like how it looks, but I don't like how it feels because it's dangerous as well. Because it's made of a solid. We already talked about in the lesson of the gas giant, right? And because it's the biggest planet to have rings. Okay, so maybe you can learn more. And today I'll check, and tomorrow I'll check about it. So, thanks for watching today.